How to find a lost or stolen Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've lost your Android device and need help finding it, watch this video till the end. And I'll show you how to use Google's Find My Device system to locate your missing device. First of all, simply go to google.com/android/find on a computer or a friend's mobile device. Sign into your Google account and select the device you are looking for. You'll see the device location on the map, its battery level, and the Wi Fi network it's connected to. You can also play a sound, lock your device, and erase everything on it. If you choose to play your sound, your device will sound for 5 minutes, even if it's on silent. You can also add a message and phone number to the secure device option in case someone finds your device. Hopefully, with this information, you'll be able to locate your missing device. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.